Good morning, Year 1. We've got 2 days left and then it will be the summer holidays. So, as usual, we're starting with reading. So don't forget to pause on each screen. Okay, so now we'll go on to phonics.
Hello everyone, my name is Angelica Bell and I used to be a presenter on CBBC many moons ago. So the question I have for you is, are you ready for your letters and sounds phonic lesson?
Hello children, I'm Alex. Let's start our letters and sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Let's read some phonemes you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. Remember, some of the graphemes make more than one sound. Can you remember them all? The first card says air. Your turn. Get them all right. Let's check. Read them with me. Air, air, ear, e or e, y or e or I, e, e, I. Well done. Super sounds. Now, we're going to play a game. Are you ready? Let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Let's sort the words. Let's play a little game. We've got to work out if they have an E or an ear grapheme. I'm going to write them up here. E-A, E. E-A-R, ear. Are you ready? Read the word. Does it have the phoneme ear or E in it? Did you get it right? Help me put the word in the correct place. Shout it out. Ear or E? Let me hear you. Oh, brilliant. Let's read the word together. Ear, here. That's right. It has the phoneme ear. I'll pop it here. Let's do another. Have a look at this word. Read it. Help me sort it. Shout ear or E. Let's read it together. B-ear-d, beard. That's right. Ear. I'm putting it here. Well done. Do you remember what a beard is? That's right. This man's got a beard. Let's sort another word. Read the word. Ear or E in this word? Have you got it? Well done. Let's read the word together. S-E-C. Oh, you were quick that time. Well done. It's got the E phoneme in it, so I'm putting it here. S-E-C. Well done. Let's do another one. Read the word. You done it? Ear or E? Let's read it together. Ear. Near. It has the phoneme ear, so I'm putting it under here, under ear. So good at this game. Let's do another one. Have a look at this one. Read the word. E or ear? Oh, you were quick. Well done. Let's read the word together. E-d. Read. Did you get it? Well done. It has the phoneme E. I'm putting it under E. And another. Read the word. Ear or E? Read it with me. Eep. Heap. It has got the E sound. Well done. I'm putting it here. Next word. Read the word. E or ear? Did you get it? Let's read it together. Ear. Fear. Well done again. It has got the ear sound, so I'm putting it under here. Well done. Final word. Read the word. Ear or E? Have you got it? Let's read it together. Least. Least. Where does it go? It does. Well done. It goes under the E sound. I'm putting it here. Least. Great reading. Well done. All the words sorted. Brilliant. Now I'm going to mix the words up. Off you go. Read them aloud. Let's check. Read them with me. See. Fear. Least. Near. Beard. Here. Heap. Read. Great reading. Well done. Today we are learning to read a new way of writing the sound air. 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 You say it. Air. And again. Air. One more time. Air. Brilliant. Let's sound talk some words with the phoneme air. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. B. Air. B. Air. Bear. A bear can be an animal or a toy bear. This is my cuddly bear. Copy me. Say the sound, then blend the sounds to say the word. Air. Air. Swear. If you swear to do something, you are making a promise to do it. Let's sound talk our final word. Copy me. Say the sounds and blend the sound to say the word. Air. Air, pear. A pear can be a delicious fruit. Yum. We know the sound air is written like this. We found out that it can also be written like this. But there is another way to write the sound air, and it looks like this. Can you say the sound air each time I show you the flashcard? Are you ready? One more time. Air. That was excellent. Well done. Now let's read some words with our new grapheme for the sound air. Read each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. B, air, bear. Did you get it right? Try another one. Off you go. pear. Pear, the delicious fruit that I showed you. Have a look at this one. Off you go. Let's read it together. Pear. Oh, that sounds like the same as our last word. When pear looks like this, it means two of something. When it looks like this, it means the delicious fruit. So remember, this one is two of something. Have a look at this word. Off you go. Now let's read the word. Wear. We wear clothes. Next word. Your go. Read the word with me. Tear. Tear is a rip in something. That's a tear in the paper. Final word. Off you go. You ready to read it together? Swear. Swear. Did you get it right? Now, can you read these without any help? Off you go. Did you get them right? Let's check. Read them with me. Swear. Tear. Wear. Pear. Pear. Bear. I'm going to mix them up. Read them aloud. Off you go. Did you get them right? Read them with me. Bear. Tear. Swear. Wear. Pear. Pear. Incredible, children. We are on fire today. Now let's practice reading two tricky words that you have met before. Let's have a look at this one. Can you remember the two tricky bits in this word? That's right. These two letters say O. And the next bit is tricky. These two letters say Z. Can you read the word? Ready? B-E-K-O-Z. Because. Did you get it right? Well done. Let's read another tricky word. You've seen this one before as well. Can you remember the tricky bits? That's right. This bit says oo. Read the word. Read it with me. Oo. Through. Did you get that one right? Well done. Let's read some sentences with our new grapheme in them. Can you see any words with today's grapheme E-A-R says air? Oh, well done. This word and this word. These words have the grapheme air. Can you see it? Can you see any words with digraphs? Well done. I, E. There's one more. Can you see it? That's right. E again. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember, sound out any words you're not sure of. Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. I like to read to my bear and eat a pear. Oh, that sounds lovely, reading to your cuddly teddy bear and eating a juicy pear. Have a look at this sentence. Can you see today's grapheme E-A-R says air? Well done. This word and this word. These words have the grapheme E-A-R that says air. Can you see the word with another trigrapheme? Well done. Here it is. This word has the trigraph air, but look, it's spelt differently. Can you see another word? There's one with a split vowel digraph in it. Can you see it? Oh, well done. Here it is. I. Now, I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember, sound out any words you are not sure of. Excellent reading. Read it with me. The top I wear has a tear, but I like it, so I do not care. It's always sad, isn't it, if you get a tear in your favourite top? Let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need your paper and something to write with. Let's spell 2 words with today's grapheme air. Let's spell tear. Segment the sounds with me. Tear, t, air. Let's count how many sounds there are. Tear, t, air. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write tear. Remember, we need 2 sounds. Air. T, air, tear. Have a go. Say the word. Tear. Say the sounds. T, air. Write them down. Are you ready? T, air, tear. Did you get it right? Well done. Let's spell where. Segment the sounds with me. Where. Ooh, air. Let's count how many sounds there are. Where. Ooh, air. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write where. Remember, I need 2 sounds. Ooh. Air. Where. Have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Are you ready to check your spelling? Let's have a look. Ooh, air, where? Did you get that one right? Now let's practice spelling this tricky word that you have met before. Because. Segment the sounds with me. Because. B-E-K-O-Z. Let's count how many sounds there are. B-E-K-O-Z. That's 5 sounds. Watch me write because. Can you remember the tricky bits? B. This letter says E. K. These letters say O. These letters say Z. Because. Have a go. Say the word because. Say the sounds B, E, K, O, S. Remember the tricky bits. The A and the U say O. You ready? Did you get it? Because. Well done. Now let's practice spelling this tricky word that you have met before. Through. Segment the sounds with me. Through. Ooh. Let's count how many sounds there are. Ooh. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write through. Remember, I need 3 sounds. Can you remember the tricky bits? And these letters, O-U-G-H, say oo. Ooh. Through. Have a go. Say the word. Through. Say the sounds. Ooh. Remember the tricky bits. The O-U-G-H says ooh. You ready? Let's check. Through. Is that what you got? Well done. Brilliant. You worked so hard practicing reading and spelling. See you next time for another lesson with letters and sounds. Bye.
Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed your letters and sounds lesson. Well done for all your effort. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. And why don't you share a lovely story tonight with someone in your family? Enjoy your book, enjoy your evening, and have a wonderful day. Good luck.
Okay, as usual, we've got our maths, so we've got a video and then some questions to have a go at.
Welcome back. Today we're talking about comparing time. Now, when we compare time, we look at 2 different activities. And then we can say things like, oh, that was earlier than the other one. Perhaps it was slower. Perhaps it was finishing first, or it finished later. We can talk about if something was faster, or if something came in last. This is how we compare time. So now I want you to think about words that we use to describe time. And I want you to think about all of these words and put them in order from the least amount of time it would take to the greatest amount of time. And here are the words you're thinking about: a day, an hour, a second, a month, a minute, and a week. Pause here. See if you can put them in order from the least amount of time to the greatest amount of time. Okay. Are you ready? So, which one of those words describes the least amount of time? Yes, if something happens in a second. Next comes, yes, a minute. Okay, after minute would be, exactly, an hour. After that, yes, it would be a day. Then a week. And finally, a month. We've put them in order from least to greatest. Let's read them together. A second, minute, hour, day, week, month. Well done. Oh, Rosie is at the beach. Lucky Rosie. Let's think about some of the activities that Rosie did at the beach. Would it be faster or slower? Think about Rosie filling a bucket with sand, or building a sand castle, or picking up a shell? Can you think about it? How about you talk about it? Which ones are faster or slower? Pause here and then come back. Great. All right, let's compare Rosie filling a bucket and building a sand castle. Well, filling a bucket would be faster than building a sand castle. How about we compare filling a bucket and picking up a shell? Well, filling a bucket would be slower than her just picking up a shell. How about let's compare picking up a shell and building a sandcastle? Yes, picking up a shell would be faster than building a sandcastle. Great job. Let's compare going to school. Only going to school, riding a bicycle, going to school in a car, or going to school walking. If they all started at the same spot and they all went to the same school, I wonder which one would take 2 hours, which one would take 30 minutes, which one would take 8 minutes. Well, if you had to walk, it would probably take 2 hours. And yet, if you were on your bicycle, it would take about 30 minutes. And if you drove in a car, 8 minutes. Which way would you like to get to school? Walking for 2 hours? Riding your bike for 30 minutes? Or going in a car for 8 minutes? Actually, let's think about which one of these would arrive first at school. The person that walked, the person that was on their bicycle, or the person that drove in the car? Yes. If it took 8 minutes, you'd get there first, in a car. If it took 30 minutes, you'd get there second, on your bicycle. And if you walked for 2 hours, you would get there last. All right, I want you to have a think. Here we have a bucket, a pool, a glass, and a bottle. I want you to imagine that they're all empty, and we begin filling them at the same time. If that's the case, here are some questions for you to think about. Which would be the fastest to fill? Which would be the last to fill? And which of these would fill in seconds, or minutes, or hours? That's a lot to think about. So pause here and then come back, and we'll go through the answers together. Okay, so we're ready to fill. Remember, we begin at the same time with all of them. Which would be the fastest to fill? Yes, the glass. And which one would be the last to fill? Exactly, the pool. So next I want you to think about which of these could you fill in just seconds? Yes, the glass and the bottle. Which one of them might take minutes? Exactly, the bucket. And can you see which one might take hours? Yes, the pool. Fantastic. Okay, let's compare trains. If I told you that the blue train takes 35 minutes to get to the next stop, and the green train takes 53 minutes to get to the next stop, Which train is faster? Yes, the blue train is faster. Now, think about this. The blue train leaves at the time on the clock, and the green train leaves at the time on the other clock. Which train leaves later? Well, the blue train leaves at 3 o'clock. The green train leaves at 3:30. So which train is later? The green train leaves later. Well done! And that's all the time we have for today's lesson. It's time for you to pause here and have a go at your White Rose Maths worksheet. Remember, if you don't have a White Rose Maths worksheet, you can go to the BBC Bite Size website and find loads of material there. Have fun!
Okay, so have a go at the maths worksheet for me. Don't forget to mark it as well. And have a go at the writing task. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow for our last day of learning.